我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Conversational Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. Hey, this month it's don't know. Well, I know, but we're teaching you don't know. 不知道。
的。
OK， 我们教的就是不知道。那现在知道了吗？
知道了。
今天要什么样的状况句呢？有的时候捡到东西不知道是谁的。
是啊。
尤其手机啊，应该很担心啊。
对。
Okay, let's say you found a cell phone and you don't know who it belongs to, and let's put you in this situation. Let's hear this conversation now.
的呀，基手機嘅係萬人嘅麼？
唔知，我爸都係唔嘅。
唔係我嘅，嘅我來希望騙人。
蠻複雜的一段對話的感覺啊。So these two obviously don't know whose cell phone this is. Okay, so the first line 是什麼？你知道這隻手機是誰的嗎？ Do you know whose cell phone is this?
唔知呀，基手機嘅。
唔知呀，基手機嘅。
係萬人嘅麼？
係萬人嘅麼？你怎麼感覺好像罵人呢？
我沒有罵人，我是說萬人嘅就是誰的呢？
誰的？Who does this belong to? Oh, that's what it means. Okay. And then the cell phone 就是手機，我們常教
手機耶，
手機耶 That means again your cell phone. 那第二句就是不知道，然後我還以為是你的，對不對？I don't know. I thought it's yours.
唔知，我爸都係唔嘅，
我爸都係唔嘅。
對啊，我以為是你的，
我還以為是你的這樣子我爸都係唔嘅。Okay, 唔嘅就是你的嘛， That means yours. 爸都就是以為，對不對？ That means I thought it was yours. And the other person says, no. Well, let me go ask around then, right? Okay, 不是我的，那我去問別人咯。
唔係我嘅，
唔係我嘅，
嘅我來希望騙人，
嘅我來希望騙人。Okay, 騙人就別人嘛，別人問就是問嘛，對 ，right? That means to ask 問別人 someone else. Let me go ask someone else. Very good. All right, let's review some of the phrases that we taught you. The cell phone, for instance, 手機耶，手機耶, and then 誰的, that means whose is it?
萬人嘅,
not to scold on someone, that means whose is this, all right? And then to ask, 問, okay, that means to ask. And this whole month, it's 不知道,
唔知,
that means don't know. And so look around and see if you can find the owner, but let's listen to this conversation one more time.
唔知呀，基手機嘅係萬人嘅麼？
唔知，我爸都係唔嘅。
唔係我嘅，嘅我來希望騙人。
And there you have it, another practical conversational Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
自say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.